The biggest challenges really were in trying to get the whole team ready to go to run the most enormous trial in the middle of lockdown, where there was no supply chain, you couldn't even buy thermometers. And we had to not only enroll across the UK 10,000 people, but another 10,000 in Brazil and 2,000 in South Africa, which meant that even when we made the vaccines, we then have to work out how do you fly them all over the world when all the planes are grounded. So huge logistical challenges, but I have to say not really big scientific challenges, because we did know how to make coronavirus vaccines. And so that part was not a problem. It was actually the logistics. I think we have been immensely lucky in this pandemic. We're dealing with a virus that we knew a lot about. Coronaviruses have been studied intensely for 20 years. We also had a virus that caused a very low mortality. Less than 1% of people died. And those two things combined means that we've got out of this pandemic pretty lightly. If we had been in a pandemic like some of the historical ones, like the plague in the Middle Ages, half of the population of Europe died. And it then took another 100 years for the population to get back to where it had been. I think we've been very lucky.